So, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you print faceplate labels from the PT-E720BT using the Pro Label tool app. So what you'll need to do is select faceplate from the list of template categories here on the home screen. Number of blocks, how many ports are we doing? Is it going to be a single port? Is it going to be a 2-gang? Is it going to be a 3-gang? A lot of the faceplates out there are 2-port, very easy to do. Now, it's important to measure the DESI window of the faceplate, and at that particular point you can put in how long you want the label to be. You can see the orientation down here, which, if you wish, you can change to either vertical or horizontal. So in this case, I'm going to change it to horizontal. You can also change the font and text size in here, so I'm just going to increase the size a little. And we're going to serialize this job. So if we hit the serialize option down here and then serialize data, we can then customize the identifier depending on the type of components we're labeling, whether it's data points, switches, or other electrical wiring outlets. So if we enter the first identifier, S/101, then you want to hit serialization. That way we can create a series of labels, which means we don't have to type each one individually. You want the machine to do the work for you, which will save us a lot of time. Now it's going to ask me to input a specific count. This is essentially the total number of ports you have. So if we enter 24, for example, and then scroll down to the preview here at the bottom, you can see it's generated 12 2-port faceplate labels in sequential order. Once you're happy, press Done here in the top right corner. When we go to Print and then Print Range, it will give us a couple of options. All records, which is the job you just built, the entire job, in this case 12 2-port labels, or a specific range. So let's just print part of this job. Let's say 1 to 4. Tap Return to lock that in. And then hit Print. The machine will then print your labels using the built-in automatic cutter. And there you have your 4 2-port faceplate labels, ready to apply, simple as that.